Jinfeng Machine Industrial Company Limited. Knuckle-Joint Cold Forging Press. Jinfeng Knuckle-Joint Cold Forging Press generates massive force in a consistent and reliable way, extending the stay at the bottom dead center. Suitable for extrusion, coining, upsetting, heading, and sizing. Knuckle-joint auto-transferring press can also integrate with peripheral equipment such as barrel, funnel-type automatic feeder, orienting vibratory selector, chute, 3-axis transfer unit, and conveyor. Easily operated by PLC programmable controller and user-friendly interface, and fully aware of load condition through tonnage monitor. Automation can be achieved through 3-axis transfer unit, multi-station production, and automatic control system. It can further make unmanned production possible when applied with Internet of Things. This leads to triple production efficiency in comparison with single station. The mechanical knockout device works from the cam in the end of the crankshaft and following lever on the side top, transferring downward along the conrod to the bed. The link mechanism inside the bed is driven to knock out the product as a result. As for small batch orders, it can be manually adjusted to single station. Flexibility on production choices is meeting with ever-changing production need in small volume. The clutch and brake system is the major concern with regard to hardware reliability and operator safety. We self-developed a pneumatic actuated lining block-type clutch and brake system, which passed power-operated press and shearing machine examination. We offer forging solutions such as forming analysis. Deform software is used for simulation of the optimum parameters before production.